Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to reset oil life on a Lincoln MKZ. First, turn your vehicle's ignition to the run position. This is one click before actually starting the engine. You don't need to start the car, just get the dashboard lights on. This initial step prepares your vehicle for the reset process. Next, find the Setup button, usually located near your instrument cluster. Press and release this button. Your vehicle's message center will then display oil life XXX% hold reset equals new, showing the current oil life percentage. This confirms you are in the correct menu to proceed. Now, press and hold the reset button for approximately 2 seconds. You'll see the display change. After releasing it, the message center should confirm oil life set to 100%. This action tells your vehicle's computer that a fresh oil change has been completed, and the monitoring system is now recalibrated for optimal performance. To finalize the process, turn your ignition completely off, then restart the engine. Verify that the oil life indicator now displays 100%. This confirms a successful reset. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Keeping up with maintenance like this helps your vehicle run smoothly for many miles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.